We are Better Weather. I'm Anne.
And I'm Kasper.
And we work from Copenhagen, and we've been working together for about a year. Kasper comes from a background within arts, and me too, and fashion. And I think we've always had a fascination with low status materials and low status values, etc. In the beginning, when we were only working with consumer waste. So what we did was biking around to a lot of places, getting waste from there. And it started out you being like taking photos in the street. Hey, I found some boards, come on over. And we started to see how it's actually quite interesting. It has a sculptural value, these boards, when we look at them. When we were approached by the team behind Matter Displaced, they asked us if we wanted to work with some of their partners of Spoke. And we thought that was a great opportunity because so far we've only been working with post-consumer materials, and now we got an opportunity to try off working with post-production materials.
For the exhibition, we're going to continue working with like what we call our Chubby Project, and we have never made like a proper chair in that. The mission is to do a dining chair with all what that implies, which is not that easy in this material, but it seems to go really good. Yeah.
Also because we want to scale one of our projects up, Chubby, that we're going to show, to a commercial level.
Basically, the world doesn't need any new furniture, but it's very hard for both me and Anna, I think, not to create objects, not to do this kind of work. When you start to having that kind of thoughts, then working with materials that is going to be waste, that's going to be tossed out anyway, it makes it a bit more meaningful to produce new objects into a world that I really don't believe need any more objects. Then the only thing you can hope is like instead of buying some other things that people buy this instead, and then you can start to think about, okay, if they buy this just because they saw it and fell in love with it, then it's a problem again. But that's why that's why I work with this kind of material in a way, because it seems very strange. Like, why should I go and buy something new that's been produced just for that to make another chair when I actually believe that the world has plenty of chairs?